this one and I tried that one and I tried this one all side by side. And this is the one that sounded best. And whatever that might end up being, it doesn't really, so much of this is subjective. And part of the reason that we just have so many microphones in the world is because we are literally trying to use those to create a different sound. When you're recording music, you might want to put a ribbon microphone on a guitar cabinet in addition to a dynamic microphone so that you can blend the two sounds together. Yeah. In voiceover, we don't really have much need to pick flavors of microphones for those reasons, unless you're really doing something that fits into the grand scheme of character read, or into, you want some kind of retro 50s sound, right? Then it might be worth it having a microphone that suits that need, but it's pretty rare that we audition that way. And of course, our job really is auditioning to get the job. And getting a job is kind of gravy.
Exactly. I'm gonna